We have 3 different flavor boosters, and they are called CocoSpice SuperMix. They are SuperMix because not only they are superfood, but because they are very versatile. You could use them in your drinks, in your bites, you could cook with them, you could bake with them. The base of all of them is coconut milk powder and coconut sugar. Coconut milk powder has MCT oil, so it is a cognitive booster. Coconut sugar has relatively low glycemic index. It doesn't give you that sugar rush, sugar crush that table sugar does. The flavors are different, but I was very careful when I chose the spices, so they match and they have some health benefits as well. Cacao cinnamon flavor has antioxidant properties. This one is good with coffee, with smoothies, with milkshake, with hot chocolate. This one is cinnamon, ginger, turmeric, and because of the spices, this has anti-inflammatory properties. This one's good with coconut water. You could add it to your oatmeal, to your granola, to your coffee also. If you're a drinker, Masca Mule is very good with this. And if you want to cook, you could use this in Thai food. This one, cardamom rosemary, is good with matcha tea, with green tea, with pistachio ice cream. You could add it to goat cheese and mix it with goat cheese. If you're a drinker, cocktail mocktail is very good with this one. Come to the market and I can give you a sampler and see which one is your flavor. If you find any recipes after you purchase them, please let us know so we can post it on my recipe list that you could find it on my website.